Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today we're tackling shaky footage and learning how to stabilize it for smooth, professional results. Let's dive in. Start by selecting the shaky clip on your timeline. You can see that this video is a handheld shot and it's not looking like a professional stable shot. Once it's highlighted, head to the inspector panel on the top right of your screen. If you don't see the inspector, click on the inspector button to make it visible. In the inspector, scroll down to find the stabilization section. Click the small drop-down arrow to expand it. Now, you'll see a few options like cropping ratio, smoothness, and camera lock. These control how stabilization is applied. To stabilize the clip, click the Stabilize button. DaVinci Resolve will analyze your footage and apply stabilization automatically. Depending on the length of your clip, this might take a few seconds. Once the stabilization is complete, play back your clip to see the results. If it's not quite perfect, you can tweak the settings, adjust the smoothness slider for more or less stabilization, or turn on camera lock if you want to simulate a stationary camera. In this case, I am increasing the smoothness slider so that the stabilization is just perfect. If you're happy with the results, you're done. Stabilization in DaVinci Resolve is that easy, and it can make a world of difference for handheld or shaky footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more quick editing tips.